Governance, risk management and compliance, or GRC, is crucial for modern organizations. This white paper delves into its significance and why it should be a priority. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, organizations face an unprecedented array of challenges. From cyber threats to regulatory requirements, the complexity of managing risks and ensuring compliance has never been greater. Governance, risk management and compliance, GRC, is a structured approach that helps organizations align their IT and business strategies, manage risks effectively, and ensure compliance with relevant laws and regulations. This white paper explores the concept of GRC, its importance, and why organizations should prioritize it. GRC stands for Governance, Risk Management, and Compliance. It is a framework that integrates these three critical components to ensure that organizations operate efficiently, ethically, and within legal boundaries. Governance. The set of policies, rules, and frameworks that ensure an organization's activities are aligned with its business goals and objectives. It involves decision-making processes, accountability, and control mechanisms. Risk management. The process of identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks that could potentially impact the organization's ability to achieve its objectives. This includes financial risks, operational risks, cybersecurity risks, and more. Compliance. The adherence to laws, regulations, standards, and internal policies that govern the organization's operations. Compliance ensures that the organization avoids legal penalties and maintains its reputation. Governance, risk, and compliance, or GRC, is crucial for any organization aiming for long-term success. It creates a structured approach to aligning IT with business objectives while managing risks and meeting all compliance requirements. This integrated approach helps in identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks effectively. By implementing GRC, organizations can ensure operational efficiency, protect their reputation, and achieve regulatory compliance. Ultimately, GRC is about creating a resilient and agile organization that can adapt to changing landscapes and thrive in a competitive environment. Enhanced decision-making. GRC provides a holistic view of the organization's risk landscape, enabling better decision-making. By understanding the risks and compliance requirements, leaders can make informed decisions that align with the organization's strategic goals. Risk mitigation. In an era where cyber threats are becoming more sophisticated, risk management is crucial. GRC helps organizations identify potential risks early and implement measures to mitigate them, reducing the likelihood of costly incidents. Regulatory compliance. With the increasing number of regulations, for example, GDPR, CCPA, HIPAA, compliance has become a significant concern for organizations. GRC ensures that organizations stay compliant with these regulations, avoiding fines and legal issues. Operational efficiency. GRC streamlines processes by integrating governance, risk management, and compliance activities. This reduces redundancy, improves efficiency, and ensures that resources are used effectively. Reputation management and the when. Reputation management. A strong GRC framework helps organizations maintain their reputation by ensuring ethical behavior and compliance with laws and regulations. This is crucial in building trust with customers, partners, and stakeholders. Even small organizations should implement GRC early on. Establishing a strong foundation of governance, risk management, and compliance can prevent issues as the organization grows. GRC is critical during mergers and acquisitions to ensure that the combined entity adheres to all regulatory requirements and that risks are properly managed. Organizations should review and update their GRC framework whenever there are significant changes in regulations that affect their industry. After a security breach or compliance failure, A security breach or compliance failure is a clear indicator that the organization's GRC framework needs to be strengthened to prevent future incidents. Responsibility for GRC doesn't lie with just one department. It involves collaboration across various functions within the organization to ensure comprehensive coverage and effective management. The board is ultimately responsible for the organization's governance. They set the tone for the organization's culture and ensure that management implements effective risk management and compliance programs. CEOs, CFOs, and other executives are responsible for implementing the GRC framework and ensuring that it aligns with the organization's strategic goals. These teams are responsible for identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks. They work closely with other departments to ensure that risks are managed effectively. Compliance officers ensure that the organization adheres to all relevant laws and regulations. They are responsible for monitoring compliance and reporting any issues to the board. In today's digital age, IT and cybersecurity teams are more important than ever. They safeguard our data, protect against cyber threats, and ensure that our technology systems are resilient and compliant. Without their expertise, organizations would be vulnerable to numerous risks and potential breaches. These teams play a crucial role in managing cybersecurity risks and ensuring that the organization's IT infrastructure complies with relevant regulations. GRC enables organizations to take a proactive approach to risk management, identifying potential issues before they become major problems. By mitigating risks and ensuring compliance, organizations can avoid costly fines, legal fees, and reputational damage. A strong GRC framework demonstrates to stakeholders that the organization is well-managed, ethical, and compliant with regulations. This builds trust and confidence. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, organizations that effectively integrate governance, risk, and compliance, or GRC, into their operations gain a significant competitive advantage. By proactively managing risks, ensuring compliance with regulations, and establishing robust governance practices, these organizations can not only avoid costly penalties and reputational damage, but also drive efficiency and innovation. As we conclude our exploration of GRC, it's clear that the benefits extend beyond mere regulatory adherence. A well-implemented GRC strategy fosters a culture of accountability, enhances decision-making, and ultimately contributes to the long-term success and sustainability of an organization. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the complexities and rewards of GRC. Remember, in the world of business, staying ahead means staying informed and proactive. Until next time, stay compliant, stay resilient, and stay ahead. Organizations with a robust GRC framework are better positioned to navigate the complexities of the modern business environment, giving them a competitive edge. GRC ensures that organizations operate sustainably and ethically, which is crucial for long-term success. It helps organizations build resilience and adapt to changing circumstances. In an increasingly complex and regulated world, GRC is no longer optional, it is a necessity. Organizations that prioritize GRC will be better equipped to manage risks, ensure compliance, and achieve their strategic objectives. By implementing a robust GRC framework, organizations can enhance decision-making, improve operational efficiency, and build trust with stakeholders. The time to act is now. The future of your organization depends on it. This white paper serves as a comprehensive guide to understanding GRC and its importance in modern organizations. By adopting a GRC framework, organizations can navigate the complexities of today's business environment with confidence and ensure long-term success.